happy Christmas. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. Today is Christmas Day. And I just wanted to unbox something very, very special. And we are unboxing a Prada handbag. I can't believe it. I've been so lucky this year to receive a Prada handbag. And I'm just so excited to open it. I've wanted this bag for so long. Now I've just opened all my presents, and I'm going to do what I got for Christmas a bit later on in the week. But I just had to open this present today because you just have to see my expression. There's no other way to say it. So let's get into it. I'm so excited. Oh my God, guys. How cool is this glass? It goes on a slant. Have you noticed? I'm drinking Bailey's. I hope you're all having an amazing Christmas day. What have you done today? What are you eating tonight? I've just gone to my mum's and we had a sausage and we had breakfast. We had a sausage, bacon and egg sandwich. I'm so full now. And we had some Bucks Fizz and we just went and opened some presents. And now, yeah, I thought I'd sit down and film a video. I hope you like my vibe today, my clothes. I got this inspiration from HOH Collection, so shout out to you. Absolutely loving it. So different, so cool. Just really, just like really vibey. I really like it. The arms, kind of, yeah, I like it. Right, anyway, so let's get on to the video. I'm so excited, guys. I'm honestly so excited. So, I've wanted this handbag for a long time now. So, I finally got my hands on it. I'm just not going to speak because I need to get into it because I'm so excited to open it, guys. This came all the way from, I think it was Germany. Was it Germany? I think it was, yeah, Germany. But anyway, where is my knife? Let's get into the box. I'm so excited. Right, okay. Oh my God, this is just, oh, let's do it. Oh my God, right, okay. Let's see if we can open this. This has come from DHL, so it's like a little slip. Yeah, it's nothing really. Right, okay. Oh my God. How do you open this? Oh my God, this is so exciting. I've dreamt of this bag, guys. It has been out like a year, but I just couldn't wait any longer. I just needed to get my hands on it. So, I'm so lucky to have this, guys. I really am. I love design handbags. I really do. If you had to choose between clothes and handbags, it would have to be handbags. Right, so this doesn't even open here. God. Definitely secured this. Right, are we gonna? Oh my God, here we go, guys. Comes with a carrier bag, the Prada carrier bag. Oh my God. How do they open this? Okay, I'm just gonna have to just... There we go. Oh my God. Right, guys, this is it. Are you ready? Is that... Oh my God, oh my God, it's coming. Guys, look, it's come in a little bag, in a shopper bag. Right, this is going to have to be the thumbnail. Right, guys, so this is the bag. It comes in like a canvasy, beautiful bag. Now there's paper here. And this is all the paperwork. Oh my God. Let's have a look in this lovely kind of duck egg Prada envelope. Oh my God, there's a booklet here. How to return the bag. Oh this has come from, is it Italy or Germany? I know it's an Italian brand, but I think it's come from Germany. I think it's Germany. No, it's Italy, because it's Italian. I'm getting confused with something else that I bought. Yeah. What am I getting confused with? I'm getting confused with the shoes that I bought, the Puma shoes. Yeah, right. Are you ready, guys? Let's get into it. Oh my God. I'm so happy they've sent me like a little bag. This is everything. Right, so I'm going to just leave this little bit on here. Right, I've got a twitch. The bag is in here. Are we ready, guys? This is the Prada dust bag. Oh my God. Oh my God, it's beautiful. Guys, this is the bag. Guys, this is the bag. This is the Prada Re-Edition 2000 bag, nylon bag, and I've wanted this for such a long time. Oh my God. Please note we will only accept returns if this label remains attached to the product. So this is the label, and it's a nylon bag. Now, a lot of people, this is fucking amazing. Look how stylish it is on me. A lot of people have said that it's very overpriced for what it is because it's a nylon bag, but I honestly don't care. I've seen it, I think it was last year on, sorry, I have a hair on my cheek. And I instantaneously wanted it, guys. I just did. So I'm going to leave it there for now. I'm going to open the bag up. So this is the stuff that's inside. Yeah, just what I thought. So here is the authenticity card here as well. Oh my God. So here's the bag inside. So you can see it's got the Prada stitching inside. It's absolutely, I can't believe I've got it in my hands. It's gorgeous, guys. So this is the authenticity card. It says Prada Milano. And obviously I won't show you the art number or anything like that, but this is when it was created. Oh my God. Oh my God, guys. So I have to keep this very safe. So people ask me, is that real? I'll be like, yes, I have the authenticity card. And it cost me a lot of money. So there we go. So I'm going to actually keep this inside the bag. Oh my. Stunning, guys. And so basically this comes out as well, but oh my God, look. Oh my God, it's gorgeous. I need to really look after this bag. Let me just like model it for you as well. You see? Do you think the vibe? It's gorgeous, guys. And you know what? I'm so happy they include like a dust bag as well. And an actual big bag. How it came, how it arrived is so posh. I love that, absolutely. In love. Absolutely in love, guys. So guys, that's the unboxing. I hope you enjoyed everything. What was inside of here? Oh, the love booklet, wasn't it? I'll keep that in there. I almost just want to keep the whole box, I think. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, guys. I absolutely love this bag. Let me know if you've got this bag. It's gorgeous. It really is. It really, really is. I love it. Do I have to take this bit off here at the front? No, it's still, so it's got the, oh my God. It's so beautiful. I love it. Very 90s, very kind of chic, like runway model, I think. Do you not think? In love, guys. Absolutely in love. Anyway, guys, I'm going to go. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you like the bag. Hope you have an amazing Christmas. You know, I just want to put a disclaimer out here that it's not about what you've got for Christmas, what you've had. As long as you've had a good time, drinking lots, eating lots, and being with your friends and family, that's all that matters, guys. I'm just showing you this bag because it's fun. I mean, and that's it. So guys, I love you all so much. Thank you for watching. Have an amazing rest of your Christmas and New Year and Boxing Day. And I'll see you in my next video.